Hi guys, my name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. In this channel, we teach Igbo language. We learn Igbo, we communicate with Igbo language. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to speak Igbo language with different words. If you are a beginner and you want to learn how to speak Igbo, then this video is for you. If you're married to an Igbo man, or you're married to an Igbo woman and you want to learn how to speak Igbo, or your mom or your dad is an Igbo, you want to learn how to speak Igbo, then this video and this channel is for you. If today is your first time watching me in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button, is right there. Just click on it and hit on that notification bell, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will always be the first to see it. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to speak Igbo. Let's start. Live there. Live there. Come out from there. Like come out from that place. Come out from there. Live there means pụta ebe ahụ. Pụta ebe ahụ. Or pụta ebe ahụ ị nọ. Leave that place you are. Pụta ebe ahụ ị nọ. Pụta ebe ahụ. Pụta ebe ahụ ị nọ. Live there. Stand there. Stand there. Kwụrụ ebe ahụ. Kwụrụ ebe ahụ. Stand there means kwụrụ ebe ahụ. Stand there means kwụrụ ebe ahụ. Come out from there. Pụta ebe ahụ. Pụta ebe ahụ. Come out from there. Pụta ebe ahụ. Come out from there. Pụta ebe ahụ. Come out from there. Pụta ebe ahụ. I am tired. I am tired. Ike agwụla m. I am tired. Ike agwụla m. I am tired. Ike agwụla m. I am working. M na-arụ ọrụ. 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 I want to work. M na-achọ ịrụ ọrụ. I want to work. M na-achọ ịrụ ọrụ. M na-achọ ịrụ ọrụ. I want to work. M na-achọ ịrụ ọrụ. I want to work. Open the door. Open the door. Mepee ụzọ. Mepee ụzọ. Open the door. Mepee ụzọ. Mepee ụzọ is called open the door. Light. Ọkụ. Light. Ọkụ. Light. Ọkụ. Light. Ọkụ. Ọkụ is called light. Sun. Sun is anwụ. Sun. Anwụ. Sun. Anwụ. Sun is called anwụ. Cold. Cold is called oyi. Like I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. I'm very cold. Oyi na-atụ m. I am feeling cold. Oyi na-atụ m. Cold is oyi. Water. Water. Mmiri. Water. Mmiri. Water is mmiri. Mmiri is called water. I want to drink water. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to eat. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat. Achọrọ m iri nri. Sit down. Sit down. Nọrọ ọdụ. Sit down. Nọrọ ọdụ. Sit down. Nọrọ ọdụ. Stand up. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Stand up. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Kwụrụ ọtọ is stand up. I know who you are. I know who you are. Ama m onye ị bụ. Ama m onye ị bụ. Ama m onye ị bụ. I know who you are. I know who you are. Ama m onye ị bụ. Ama m onye ị bụ. I know who you are. I am smiling. I am smiling. I am smiling. M na-achị ọchị. M na-achị ọchị or m na-amụ amụ. M na-achị ọchị. M na-achị ọchị. I am smiling. M na-achị ọchị. You are a nice person. You are a nice person. Ị wụ ezigbo mmadụ. Ị wụ ezigbote mmadụ. Ị wụ ezigbote mmadụ. You are a nice person. Ị wụ ezigbo mmadụ. Ị wụ ezigbo mmadụ. Or ị wụ ezigbote mmadụ. I can see you. M na-ahụ gị. I can see you. M na-ahụ gị. M na-ahụ gị. I can see you. M na-ahụ gị. You are black. You are black. Ị wụ onye ojii. Ị wụ onye ojii. Ị wụ onye ojii. You are white. You are white. Ị wụ onye ọcha. Ị wụ onye ọcha. Ị wụ onye ọcha. You are white. Ị wụ onye ọcha. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you is daalụ. Thank you is daalụ. Daalụ is called thank you. Daalụ is called thank you. So guys, we're going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit on that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. And do not forget to share with your family, your friends, your loved ones that want to speak Igbo. Do not forget to share this video to them so they can learn more about Igbo language. See you guys in my next video. Bye.